Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Okay, so dear students, let's start the today's class. Today is our second last class of English language course for kids. Okay, at Latafat Online Academy. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Our course will going to complete. Okay, now. Okay, dear students. So I think this is a very happy moment for us. Right. Okay, so dear students, in today's class, we are going to complete the topic of tenses. Okay, and in future tense, we are learning. We already learned the two types of future tense. Okay, simple future and future continuous. And now in today's class, we are going to complete our last two types of tenses, and that are future perfect and future perfect continuous. Okay, and that are also very, very easy. Okay, yes, dear. Inshallah, we will have a class tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala, and this will be the last class of our course. Okay. So get excited for this. Okay. Okay, so dear students, today is day 23 of English language course for kids at Latafat Online Academy, and I'm your teacher, Ma'am Yumna. Let's start our next type of future tense, and that is future perfect tense. Okay, so dear students, future perfect tense is also very easy. The identification of future perfect tense are चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे, लिया होगा, ली होगी, लिए होंगे. ओके, वो फॉर एग्जांपल वो आइसक्रीम खा चुकी होगी, हम घर पहुंच चुके होंगे, मैं 9 बजे सो चुकी होंगी. So these are the examples of future perfect tense. Okay, now the second thing is the sequence of future perfect tense, and that is, first of all, we have to write down subject, then helping verb, then verb with third form. Okay, now please always remember that we have to use the third form of verb in every perfect tense. Okay, and in the last we have to write down our object. Okay, so there are two helping verbs, dear students. Okay, and that are will have and shall have. Okay, will have and shall have, two helping verbs, the future perfect tense have. Okay, and like the future perfect and like the simple future and future continuous tense, we can use will have and shall have both helping verbs with I and we. Okay, and we can use only one helping verb with any other subject, with he, she, it, any name, you, they, or any singular or plural person or thing. Okay, we can use will have with all the subjects, and we can use shall have and will have both with I and we. Okay, simple. That is very easy. Now I'm going to tell you the sequence of future perfect tense. Okay. So the sequence of future perfect tense is that in affirmative sentence, first of all, we have to write down subject, then helping verb, then verb with third form, and then object. Okay. Then in negative sentence, first of all, we have to write down helping verb, but half helping verb. Okay. Will or shall only. Then not. Then have. Then means जो last हमारा half helping verb है have, वो हम लिखेंगे not के बाद. Okay. Then verb with third form, and then object. Okay. Then in interrogative sentence, first of all, we have to write down helping verb, half helping verb, then subject, then half the last helping verb have. Okay, and then verb with third form, and then object. Okay. Then in negative interrogative sentence, first of all, we have to write down half helping verb will or shall, then subject, then not, then have, then verb with third form, and then object. Okay, students. So this is very, very easy. Now, all of you, please tell me that Do you understand all the things of future perfect and future perfect tense clearly or not? Walaikum assalam, Amara. Okay, dear students, mashallah, you all got it clear. Very good. Okay, then let's start translating our sentence, dear students. Okay, now. So, okay, now hurry up, please raise a hand who want to translate first. Okay, mashallah, Riza, always raise her hand firstly. Okay, Amara, Arham, Ahmed, very good, dear students. Mashallah, you all participate in it, and I am so happy by seeing all these things. Okay, so our first sentence is हम घर पहुंच चुके होंगे. Okay, हम घर पहुंच चुके होंगे. Okay, Rija, unmute your mic there and translate this sentence. Yes, Rija. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rija. Yes, Rija. And translate this sentence. हम घर पहुंच चुके होंगे.
हम घर पहुंच चुके होंगे. We have ma'am, please share the sequence.
Okay, okay. Wait, wait. Sure. Yes, that.
We will have.
Yes, we have. Okay.
We will have warned the home.
No, no, dear. पहुंचने को क्या कहेंगे? What is the meaning of पहुंचना?
पहुंचना.
What is the meaning of पहुंचना? पहुंचना means reach. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Dear, पहुंचना means reach.
Okay.
Okay.
Reach the home.
Reach the home. Yes, we
Yes.
will have or we shall have reached the home. Yeah, arrive or reach, both verbs can be used for पहुंचना. Okay. We shall have reached at home. Okay. Wait a minute, dear students. Please give me a minute. Yes, yes, students, I'm back. Oh, sorry. Actually, my mother is not well. She is ill. So I have to. Okay, now dear students, next sentence is हम घर नहीं पहुंच चुके होंगे. Okay. Now, yes, yes, हमारा unmute your mic here and translate this sentence. हम घर नहीं पहुंच चुके हैं. Yes, dear Amara. Amara, unmute your mic there. Hurry up, please. We don't have so much time there.
We shall not have
Yes, dear.
reached shall not have reached at home.
We shall not have
Not have
voice is cutting.
shall not reach the home.
Say again. Okay, now क्या हम घर पहुंच चुके हैं?
Shall we have reached the home?
Shall we have reached at home? Okay, good. Now, okay, Ahmed, your turn. Ahmed. क्या हम नहीं
Shall
पहुंच
we
चुके
not
होंगे?
reach the home?
Shall we not?
Shall we have? Shall we
नहीं
have
बेटा. Shall we not? Nana, shall we not have?
reached the home?
Reach at home. Okay, good. Okay, now. Okay, okay, one more turn to all of. I'm giving to all of you. Okay. Our next sentence is dear students. Okay, वो आइसक्रीम खा चुकी होगी. Okay, वो आइसक्रीम खा चुकी होगी. Okay, now हमारा unmute your mic there. Yes, Amara. Unmute your mic and translate the sentence. वो आइसक्रीम खा चुकी होगी.
Ma'am, वो आइसक्रीम खा चुकी होगी. She will have an ice.
Yeah, good. वो आइसक्रीम खा चुकी होगी. She will have eaten the ice cream. Okay. Okay. Next sentence is वो आइसक्रीम नहीं खा चुकी होगी. Rija, your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
वो आइसक्रीम नहीं खा चुकी होगी.
She will not have eaten it.
Yes, will not have eaten.
मैम
Okay,
आपने
good.
शी की स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी है.
Okay, dear. Ahmed, your turn. Unmute your mic and translate the sentence. क्या वो आइसक्रीम खा चुकी होगी?
Will she eat the ice cream? Will she
नहीं
eat
बेटा,
it?
will
Will
she?
she have eaten the ice cream?
Yes. Will she have eaten the ice cream? Okay, good. Okay, now I think Fatma, unmute your mic and Arham, you also. Please, Arham, you write down the sentence in the chat box, okay? And Fatma, you have to unmute your mic while telling this sentence. फातिमा, क्या वो आइसक्रीम नहीं खा चुकी होगी?
Will she not eating ice cream? Eaten ice cream?
Yes. Will she not have? Okay, now dear students, all of you please tell me, hurry up please. Yes, I am good. Yes, and I'm also correct. Okay, now dear students, tell me that do you understand the future perfect tense clearly? Yes, hurry up, dear students, all of you please tell me. Okay, mashallah, very good. Okay, now dear students, let's move on and let's start our last tense, the last type of future tense, and that is future perfect continuous tense. Okay, future perfect continuous tense. So dear students, the identification of future perfect continuous tense is the same to future continuous tense. Okay, means the identification of this tense is are raha hoga, rahi hogi, rahe honge. But this is because of perfect continuous tense. Okay, so timing is also mentioned in this tense. Okay, now. Okay, yes, yes. So, in future, three identifications. Okay, raha hoga, rahi hogi, rahe honge. Okay, and timing is also mentioned in this tense, right? As we know that. And next thing is that for example, वो 2 दिनों से सफर कर रहा होगा. ओके, वो 2 दिनों से सफर कर रहा होगा. तुम 4 बजे से मेरा इंतजार कर रहे होगे. ओके, ओके, तुम 4 बजे से मेरा इंतजार कर रहे होगे. वो 2 दिनों से सफर कर रहा होगा. Okay, dear students, and the sequence of this tense is first of all we have to write down subject, then helping verb, then verb with first form plus ing, and then object. But after the object we have to write down for or since. Okay, and then timing. Can anyone tell me that which type of time, which type of time we have to use the word for? Can anyone tell me in the chat box? Hurry up, tell me. Hurry up, hurry up. That which type of time, which type of time we have to use forward? Yes, dear students. ना ना बेटा, मैं आपसे टाइमिंग नहीं वो, मैं आपसे एग्जांपल नहीं पूछ रही, मैं आपसे ये पूछ रही हूँ कि किस तरह के टाइम के साथ हम लोग जो है फॉर यूज करते हैं। ये मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ ना बच्चों, कि किस तरह का हमारे पास टाइम होता है तो उसके साथ हम लोग फॉर यूज करते हैं। ये कौन बताएगा मुझे? मैं देखना चाहती हूँ किसको याद है ये चीज। हाँ, वेरी गुड अरहम, गुड जॉब। एंड all of you please tell me. Very good Ahmed, very good Amara, good. So अच्छा, since good Richa, good. Yes, Jasmine. ना since ठीक है, माशाल्लाह, good Fatma, good good Arham, Ahmed, Richa, Amara, good job. Yes, Jasmine. So we have to use the forward with unclear timing and since is used with clear timing. Good job, mashallah. All of you remember it. Very nice. Very good, students. I'm very happy with this. Okay. Okay, now, next thing. Next thing is that all of you please tell me that which type of, which form of verb we have to use in the future perfect continuous tense. Yes. Yes, dear students. Can anyone tell me that which type of, sorry, which form of verb we have to use in future perfect continuous tense? थर्ड फॉर्म तो नहीं होगी हमारा बेटा, सिर्फ फर्स्ट फॉर्म होगी बच्चों, सिर्फ फर्स्ट फॉर्म. Yes sir, हाँ, good. Yes Rija, good. Very good, mashallah. All of you gave the correct answer. Very good, student. And I'm Ahmed, Fatma, Amara, Rija. Very good, student. So, yes. Yes, dear students. So, we have to use, first of all, we have to use the first form of verb with ing in the future perfect continuous tense. Okay. Second thing is that or since with time. Okay. For a since. And all you know that for is used with unclear timing and clear since is used with clear time. Okay. And the last thing is the sequence. Sorry, helping word. Second last thing is helping word. So there are two helping verbs. Okay, now will have been. Will have been. This is the very biggest helping verb. Will have been. Shall have been. Okay, now. So will have been and shall have been. Okay, we can use both helping verbs with I and be. Okay, with I and be, and we can use only one helping verb will have been with any other type of subject. Okay, he, she, it, you, name, any, they, any singular, plural person, all these. Okay, students. Okay, the last thing of future perfect continuous tense is the sequence. So the sequence of affirmative sentence is that we have to use the subject first of all, then helping verb. Okay, then verb with first form plus ing, and then object. Okay, and after the object we have to write down for or since and then time. Okay, then in negative sentence first of all we have to write down subject, then helping verb only will or shall. Okay, then verb with first form ing, then object, then for or since and then timing. Okay, in interrogative sentence Dear students, we can write first of all helping verb will or shall only, then subject, then have been, then verb with first form plus ing, and then object, then for sense, for our sense, and then timing. Okay, then in negative interrogative sentence, we have to write down first of all helping verb will or shall, then subject, then not, then have been, then verb with first form plus ing, and then object, then for our sense, and then timing. Okay, students. So this is the very easiest tense for all of us because we all learned all the tenses before that. Okay, now it's time to start translation. Okay, but before that, all of you please tell me that do you understand all thing about the perfect conditions? Hurry up, tell me. Okay, mashallah, very good, dear students. All of you understand it clearly. Okay, so let's move on and let's start translation. Okay, our first sentence is ga. Okay, Ahmed, your turn.
Yes, miss.
वो 2 दिनों से सफर कर रहा होगा.
He
Hmm.
he will have
He will have.
helping word have will have been.
Yes, will have been. Yes, and then.
He will have been. Not he will have been. Suffer means
सफर करना means their travel.
traveling.
Yes, traveling. Okay.
Since
No,
for.
since.
For.
Okay.
2 days.
Very good. For 2 days. In this sentence, there is no object. Okay. And without object, our sentence is also complete. Okay, students.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Good, Ahmed. Mashallah. Okay, now Fatma, your turn. वो 2 दिनों से सफर नहीं कर रहा होगा.
He will not have been traveling for 2 years.
Yes, very good. He will not have been traveling for